डियर स्टूडेंट, कल हमने सिलेंडर के कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे। आज फिर सिलेंडर के ही कुछ और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं। सिलेंडर, कर्व सरफेस, टोटल सरफेस, रेडियस एंड हाइट। रेडियस एंड हाइट। कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए सिलेंडर 2 pi r/h. Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r plus h, and volume of cylinder pi r square h. Question first. The radius of two right circular cylinder is 2 by 3. Two right circular, ratio of radius r1 upon r2 equal to 2 by 3, and ratio of their height is 5 by 4. h1 upon h2 5 by 4. Find the ratio of their curved surface area and volume. Curved surface area S1 upon S2 and volume V1 upon V2. Find. Curved surface area S1 upon S2 equal to curved surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r/h, r1 and h1. Curved surface area of second cylinder 2 pi r2h. 2 pi and 2 pi cancel. Rearrange r1 upon r2 and h1 upon h2. Put the value of ratio r1 upon r2 equal to 2 by 3 and put the ratio h1 upon h2 equal to 5 by 4. 2 2 जा 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 2. 5 upon 6. Ratio of curved surface area S1 upon S2 equal to 5 upon 6. Again find ratio of volume V1 upon V2. Put the formula of volume pi r square h. First cylinder r1 h1. Second cylinder pi r square h, r2 and h2. Pi and pi cancel. r1 upon r2 whole square and multiply by h1 upon h2. Put the value of r1 upon r2, 2 by 3 whole square. h1 upon h2, 5 upon 4. 2 by 3 multiply by 2 by 3 multiply by 5 by 4. 2 2 ja 4, 4 and 4 cancel. 5 upon 3, 3 ja 9. Then volume of V1 upon V2 equal to 5 by 9. Next question. Question number 2. The curved surface area and height of cylinder are 660 cm square and 15 cm respectively. Curved surface area equal to 660 cm square and height is 15 cm respectively. Find the volume. Put the formula of curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r/h equal to 660. Put the value of pi 22 upon 7. Find the radius r and h 15 cm. 660. r is and other number 2 by 1 transfer 1 by 2. 22 upon 7, 7 upon 22. 15 upon 1, 1 upon 50. 22 3 ja 66. 30 multiply by 7 अपॉन में 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 15, 15 2 जा 30, 2 and 2 cancel, radius equal to 7 centimeter. Radius equal to 7 centimeter and height given h equal to 15 centimeter. Also find the volume. Put the formula of volume pi r square h. Pi 22 upon 7, radius 7 multiplied by 7, height 15. 7 and 7 cancel. 7 multiplied by 22, 7 2 ja 14. 7 2 ja 14, 14 and 1 15. Multiply by 15. 15 4 ja 60, carry 6. 15 5 ja 75 and 6 81. Carry 8. 15 1 ja 15 and carry 8 23. 2310 centimeter cube is a volume of cylinder. Next question, third. Volume of cylinder is 35 centimeter cube. Given volume of cylinder 35 centimeter cube and volume of base is 6 centimeter square. Area of base 6 centimeter square. Find the height of cylinder. Find the height of cylinder. Volume equal to 35 centimeter cube. Put the formula of volume pi r square h equal to 35 equation 1. And area of base is a circle. Area of circle pi r square equal to 6 pi. Two equation and find the value of h. Divide by equation 1 and 2. Left side pi r square h upon pi r square. Right side 30 pi upon 6 pi. Pi and pi cancel, r square and r square cancel. H equal to, right side में pi and pi cancel, 6 5 जा 30. 5 centimeter is a height of cylinder. Next question. Question number 4. Fourth question. Volume and curved surface area is a cylinder are 1650 centimeter cube and area is a 660 centimeter square. Volume and curved surface area are given. Volume equal to 1650 centimeter cube and curved surface area is a 660 centimeter square. Volume and curved surface area of a cylinder are 1650 centimeter cube and surface area 660 centimeter square respectively. Find the radius and height of a cylinder. Find the radius and height. Put the formula of volume pi r square h equal to 1650 equation 1. Put the value of formula curved surface area 2 pi RH 660 equation 2. Solve the equation 1 and 2 and find the radius and height. Divide by equation 1 and 2. Left side pi r square h upon 2 pi r h. Right side 1650 and 660. Left side h and h cancel, pi and pi cancel, r and r square cancel, remaining part r upon 2. Right side 0 and 0 cancel. 165 upon 66. Again 11 cancel, 11 6 ja, 11 1 ja and 11 5 ja. R by 2, 15 upon 6. Transfer to right side. Therefore R equal to 15 multiplied by 2 upon 6. Cancel 3 ja and cancel 5 ja. Radius equal to 5 centimeter. Put the value of radius equation 1 or equation 2. Put the value of equation 1 using equation 1 or using equation 2, any equation put the value of R. 2 pi RH equal to 660. 2 pi 22 upon 7, radius 5, H unknown number 660. H as it is 660 is it transferred the right side and reciprocal 1 by 2 7 upon 22 1 by 5. 22 3 ja 66. 5 6 ja and 2 3 ja. H equal to 3 multiplied by 7 equal to 21 centimeter. Radius equal to 5 centimeter and height equal to 21 centimeter of a cylinder. Next question. Question number 5. The height and radius of a cylinder are 7.5 and 3.5 respectively. H equal to 7.5 centimeter and radius equal to 3.5 centimeter. The height and radius of a cylinder are 7.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter respectively. Find the ratio of total surface area and curved surface area. Total surface area and curved surface area, find the ratio. Put the formula of total surface area and put the formula of curved surface area. Total surface area formula of cylinder 2 pi R plus H upon curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi R H. 2 pi R and 2 pi R cancel. Remaining part R plus H upon H. Put the value of radius and height. Radius is 3.5 and height is 7.5 upon H 7.5. Simplify, add this 3.5 and 7.5 equal to 11 and 7.5. Cancel point 110 upon 75. Cancel 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10. Cancel 5, 15 times. 22 upon 15. Therefore, total surface area ratio by curved surface area equal to 22 ratio 15. 22 ratio 15. Next question, 6. A well 20 meter deep and 7 meter is a diameter. A well, this is a well 20 meter deep, then height is 20 meter, H equal to 20 meter, and diameter is a, and 7 meter is diameter, then radius equal to 7 by 2 meter. A well 20 meter deep and 7 meter in diameter is dug. The earth taken out is spread up from a 22 meter and 14 meter abutment. Find the height of abutment. Dug, abutment, length equal to abutment 22 meter, breadth equal to abutment 14 meter, and find the height of abutment. Height of cylinder is h1 and height of abutment equal to h2. Therefore, volume of cylinder of dug equal to volume of abutment. Volume of cylinder equal to volume of abutment. Volume of cylinder formula pi r square h, and volume of abutment length into breadth into height. Put the value of pi 22 upon 7, radius 7 by 2, radius 7 by 2, and height is 20 meter. Right side, length is abutment 22 meter, breadth is 14 meter, and height h2 is find. 7 and 7 cancel, 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. 22 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5. Transfer 22 and 14. 22 upon h2. 22 and 22 again cancel, 7 2 ja 14. Therefore, height of abutment 5 by 2 meter or 2.5 meter is a height of abutment. Thank you.